Not receiving Gmail notifications? In this video, I will show simple and easy solutions to fix it. So, let's get started. Check notifications for Apple Mail app. That's set up with Gmail account. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Notifications section. Afterward, scroll down and tap on Mail. Make sure the toggle next to Allow Notifications is on. Also, select Alerts on the lock screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Then, if you want sound notifications, open Sounds and select Alert Tones. Go back and turn on the toggle next to Badges. You can also enable Lock Screen Appearance to get notification previews when locked, Always or Never option. Scroll to last option, Customize Notifications. Under the Accounts section, tap on Gmail. Ensure that Alerts toggle is enabled, and Sound is selected as well, so you will never miss an update from Gmail email on Apple Mail app. To enable notification for Gmail app, follow the next solution. Enable notifications for third-party apps. If you have separately installed a third-party app like Gmail or Outlook app, launch the Settings app, scroll to Notifications, scroll down again, and tap on Gmail. Afterward, enable the notification toggle. Then, turn on alerts such as the lock screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Also, enable the Sounds and Badges toggle according to your preference. That's it. Check Gmail app notifications. Launch the Gmail app on your iPhone. Tap the Hamburger menu at the top left corner. Then scroll down and tap Settings. Select your email account and tap the Email Notifications section. Select the notification preference according to your requirement, and you can also select notification sounds. Then, tap the Done button at the top right corner. Turn off Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. If you have scheduled or enabled Do Not Disturb mode, you may not be notified of Gmail messages. So, we need to turn it off. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. If Focus mode is enabled, tap to open Focus options. Afterward, suppose Do Not Disturb mode is active, so tap it to disable it. That's it. If you still have an issue, then follow the next solution. Enable Background App Refresh. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the General section. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Select the Wi-Fi and cellular data option. Then, hit the back button and turn on the toggle next to Gmail. Enable Push Notifications. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Again, scroll down and tap on Mail. Then, go to Mail Accounts and tap on Fetch New Data. After that, tap on Gmail and select Schedule as Fetch. Here, make sure Fetch is set to automatically or every 15 minutes. That's it. Delete and re-add account. Before deleting your account, remember your email address and password. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the App section. Afterward, scroll down and tap on the Mail app. Then, tap on Mail Accounts and select your Gmail account. Tap on the Delete Account option. A confirmation message on the iPhone screen says, "Deleting this account will remove its data from your iPhone. If you're sure, confirm the deletion process." After deleting your account, tap on Add Account and select the mail account type. Then, follow the on-screen instructions and complete the sign-in process. That's it. Check for software update. You may face problems receiving Gmail notifications due to outdated software versions. So, check and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General and tap on Software Update. Wait for a moment until your device checks for an update. Tap the Update Now button to install the latest iOS version if any update is available. The updating process may take some time, so wait patiently. Force Restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on your iPhone screen. Then, release the side button and wait for the restart process to complete. Make sure your iPhone is not connected to the charging cable during the force restart process. Then, Unlock your iPhone with the lock screen passcode and check if the problem is fixed. That's it. Check Google's status page. Sometimes, notifications do not work because Gmail servers are down. So, launch the Safari or Chrome browser and search for Google Workspace status. Check if there's an ongoing issue with Gmail or other Google services. You get real-time information on any outages and disruptions. Also, it shows estimates of when they might be resolved. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.